So this year we presented a trial called the PD-1108, a phase 1-2 trial, evaluated durvalumab in different patients with different cancer. And the focus of this presentation was bladder cancer patients.
And can you tell us how the patients were selected out of all cancers, and then the results that were found with medicine?
So in this trial, more than 1,000 patients were enrolled with different tumor types, and it was decided to dedicate a cohort for patients with bladder cancer. Durvalumab was prescribed in this patient, and patients were treated with durvalumab 10 mg per week every 2 weeks. The patients were evaluated every 6 weeks, and if there is no progression, the patients were treated for 1 year. So the main result of the trial was, first, the durvalumab treatment is very well tolerated. The most frequent adverse events were very low grade. There were only 3 patients with grade 3, and there were no grade 4 and no grade 5. Second message is that the anti-tumor activity is very important. The objective response rates were 31% in the patient enrolled in the cohort with bladder cancer. And in a subgroup of patients with PD-L1 positive expression, the objective response rate were 46% versus 0% in the PD-L1 negative subgroup.
Very significant results for the PD-L1 positive count then.
Exactly.
And with these results in mind, are there any plans to escalate or introduce new patients?
So the goal of this trial is first to expand the cohort, and based on these very promising results, it was decided to open future trial. So durvalumab will be evaluated in bladder cancer in first line in a trial called Danube, in monotherapy or in combination with tremelimumab, and a second trial called Biscay will evaluate durvalumab in combination with other drugs such as FGFR inhibitor for patients with bladder cancer.
Were there any toxicities in patients with the nivolumab as a monotherapy or in any combinations?
So in this trial, durvalumab was prescribed in monotherapy. The most frequent adverse events were very low grade, and the most frequent side effects are fatigue, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. So basically, the safety profile of durvalumab was clearly manageable in bladder cancer.
Do you have any thoughts about the ongoing development of PD-L1 as a marker for immunotherapy?
Yeah, so we know that PD-1, PD-L1 shown activity in bladder cancer. There are several compounds in development, such as durvalumab, atezolizumab, nivolumab. We know that there are different assays to evaluate PD-L1 expression. PD-L1 expression could be evaluated on TC, tumor cells, or in tumor-infiltrating immune cells, or both. And at this time, there is no clear gold standard for evaluation of PD-L1. I think it's a very good news for patients. Clearly, 5 years ago, it was nearly impossible to imagine that all these drugs will be available for patients. So it's a good news for patients to have this clinical trial ongoing. And I think it will be probably important to propose this trial for patients.